Are you looking for the best toaster ovens of? In this video we will look at some of the best toaster ovens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Compact Smart Oven. Electronic controls and preset cooking programs for bagels, cookies and pizza, up to an 11-inch pie, make the Breville Compact Smart Oven super easy to use. It browned toast quickly, baked a beautiful cake and roasted tender potatoes and chicken in our tests. A non-stick coating makes cleaning a breeze. We found the control panel to be very intuitive, and the stainless steel design feels solid. And we're not the only ones that think so. This toaster oven has a 4.6-star rating on Amazon from more than 4,000 reviews. And it ships within 2 days, if you have Prime. Take note that this toaster oven only fits for slices of bread, compared to other models we tested with 6 to 9 slice capacities. If you're looking for a larger capacity, the Breville Smart Toaster Oven Air, which can hold 9 slices of bread, or a 5-quart Dutch oven, also performed well in our tests. Dimensions 10.2 x 16.7 x 15.6, weight 22.7 pounds, bread capacity 4 slices, settings toast, bagel, bake, broil, pizza, roast, cookies and reheat. Number 2. Quasina TOA65 Digital AirFryer Toaster Oven. This toaster oven is our best overall air fry toaster oven because it air fries quickly with no additional preheat time. It made chicken wings super crispy in 20 minutes, as well as fries in even less time. Its power is impressive and it's comparable to the best freestanding air fryers. Just keep an eye on food when experimenting for the first few times to prevent accidental burning. It uses a basket that sits atop the broiling pan to air fry, which prevents grease from dripping onto the elements and makes cleanup easy. All accessories are dishwasher safe. When functioning as a traditional toaster oven, bread toasted well and evenly. A cake baked quickly with just a small dome that needed to be trimmed. Frozen pizza cooked in no time, as did broiled steak. The oven comes with a user guide loaded with cooking charts and recipes, plus, the oven is programmed with more than 10 settings, 5 of which are specific to air frying. The ability to dual cook is a unique feature. It allows you to program the oven for 2 different times and temps at once, useful for starting foods at a high temp to crisp up the skin and lowering it to finish cooking inside. Dimension 17 x 21.73 x 15.75, weight 20.3 pounds, bread capacity 6 slices, settings air fry, bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, roast, dehydrate, proof, low, dual cook, reheat and warm. Number 3. Breville Mini Smart Oven BOV for 50XL. The race for the overall best toaster oven was a true photo finish between the Panasonic Flash Express and Breville's capable Mini Smart Oven. Both toasted for slices of bread evenly, with doneness presets that deliver on their promise. The Breville, like the Flash Express, also held its temperature well and preheated quickly. The slightly more expensive Breville does sport a few functions that the Panasonic doesn't, the most important being broil and convection modes. Breville's Mini Smart Oven has 3 levels at which you can slide a tray in, and the dials and settings allow for more precision than most ovens. A thoughtful a bit more button gives your food another minute of cooking time if it's needed without having to reset the program. Though usually the Breville Mini Smart Oven is priced at $160, which is about $10 more than the Flash Express generally sells for, it's easy to find it on sale. It also weighs 15 pounds, which is twice as much as the Flash Express, but still by no means heavy.